to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know you could talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know you could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make. You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know you could talk about sex. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know you could talk about you. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know you could talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know you could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.